we have one desktop computer. In this we are connecting two hard disks. One is SSD and another one is HDD. Also we installed Windows 10 in this 120 SSD. I need to boot from this SSD only. But in BIOS no SSD is showing in boot priority. For this I will show you how to solve this. You can see here boot option, there is no SSD showing. And also we can check here in advanced and go to the SATA configuration. Here you can find the SSD is connected here, and also 1 TB HDD also also connected, but still you are not getting the boot option priority as SSD, it is not showing. For this I will show you how to solve this. Go to the boot and select here hard drive BBS priorities option is there. Simply enter and select here boot option 1 as boot Patriot burst Elite 120 SSD. Now go to the back one step. Now you can select here boot option 1 Patriot burst Elite 120 GB SSD is now showing. Okay, that's it. Thank you.